With iOS 11, you have the option to split your screen on your iPad. So if you're working in one app, you can swipe up from the bottom and tap and hold and drag to open your second app. And you can actively work in each of these windows, however you like. To change how much of the screen is using, tap and hold and pull it to the top. And now both screens, windows are there. There's a little gray bar in the middle, and you can tap and hold and drag to how you want your screen to look. You can have your window, pull it down so it can float on top of your second window. If you are done having a split screen and you want to go back to how it looked before, you can swipe all the way over to the left